Today guys, we've got a special video. This is episode 1 to the long awaited build series. I've had it, all the comments. When's the exhaust going on, man? When you putting the exhaust on that bike? When you buying the exhaust? Guys, I bought the exhaust and I'm here right now. I'm gonna do a quick before and after. So I wanna turn the bike on, let you hear what it sounds like with a stock can. And by the way, we have the full system, don't worry. So let's start this up. I don't know how it's gonna sound if the phone's so far away. I'm gonna move it in a sec. Actually doesn't sound too bad stock. I don't reckon it'll sound too bad with just a slip on, but we gotta get the full system on there. Yeah, this bike's gonna sound crazy. I can't wait. First pull on this bike. You know, let me do that again. Oh, it does sound crazy. I hope it is good. Right, let's go. Oh, I tried to get into a little boom, I got off the throttle. First isn't too bad. Got a balance point there. There we go, that was a better one. Right, let's get this exhaust on, this is gonna sound crazy. Yo, what the f? Something's happened at the strip. No way. Is he alright? You know.
Yeah, I think he did a wheelie and lost it. Give mate my number.
Yeah, if you've got it all sorted, mate,
yeah, well,
I'm doing more harm than good just being about it, yeah.
We were coming down there.
And he was just here on his own?
Yeah, he was just down there.
Oh, mate, nice one for pulling over, because...
my brother, both my brothers and my dad are bikers.
Oh, okay.
It's like if anyone...
Mate, if you come off on your own, it's such a horrible feeling. Mate, I was going to take your keys, but this guy's, he's got them, yeah? At least he's smiling.
He's on the gas and air, mate.
Oh, that's what it is. Cheers for that, mate. Nice one. Legend. Flipping it, I nearly joined him. But anyway, on the way to meet Bowley Big 450 right now. He's going to give us a hand to install this exhaust. Right, we've got all the parts out. First time looking at the yen can. See what we're working with. Have a look at it. Yeah, look at that. That is actually nice, isn't it?
Especially next to the red frame.
Yeah, let's get to it. So this is what you got to do first, guys. Take this valve system out for the exhaust, and then if we just take the cables out, we can put the valve system back into the bike. Oh, do we just put it back in without the cable? Yeah, you just take the cables out.
They was in there.
Oh, okay, they was in there
like that. And I just loosened that bolt off, pulled these cables out from this plastic twisty majiggy thingy.
So we just plug that back in as it is?
Yeah, we can put that back to where it is, plug that plug back in.
Alright guys, we're pretty sure you just put it back together and reinstall it without the cables in it. There's with the Leo Vince exhaust, we saw you need what is it, servo block off?
Yeah, it's like a
thing.
Yeah,
a valve block off or something like that. But I think with a Black Widow, and from what they told me when I spoke to them on the phone, they told me it was just, you don't need any extras, it's just swap the exhaust over, plug and play, take these cables out of this, and reinstall it. So hopefully it's all good. We're making some progress down here. So we got the end can off, or Bowley did.
I'll give it a go.
No, you've done the end can. This is, what's this? Is that?
Mid pipe on?
No, you've just undrilled the heat shield is all you've done, isn't it?
No, it's got a bracket on it.
Oh, really?
That's not what it holds on in there, look.
No, you've...
Yeah, look, it's got
Hold on.
That's the centre pipe, look. It's bolted through here.
No, is that not what the foot pegs?
It's bolted through it, but look. It's got,
look at that.
Are you done? Look, see this? Look where I'm looking.
What's wrong with portrayed?
Look where you're looking. Are you sure that's the exhaust? Did it say that on the video?
I ain't got that far in the video.
Mate,
see this bit here, yeah? What's that? That's the exhaust.
That's the exhaust right there.
See this bracket here?
Yeah.
That's connected to the exhaust.
Yeah.
That goes up and over and bolts through here.
Are you sure?
Yeah. There you go.
I know.
See that?
Oh, okay. Making a decent bit of progress right now. We're getting there.
Not that far.
Just had to stop for some food for a bit. Literally just slap this end can on.
Right. Just make sure.
Get these all tightened up. Got to put a bit of that sexual juice on it, whatever you called it.
Yeah, I'm just making sure it's in the right place.
Oh, and get the O2 sensors reconnected as well. Look at that, guys. I hope you can see it. Just reconnecting the battery now. Plug the O2 sensors back in, and it's about to be the moment of truth.
Right, before I go putting that back on, do you want to start it? Okay, that's connected, that's tight.
Everything's on and ready to go.
That's connected, that's tight, that's tight, that's tight. That's sick.
Oh, I'm pretty nervous. Moment of truth. That sounds a bit like a trumpet, that one, doesn't it? It's actually not that loud. Yeah. To be honest, I thought it was going to be way louder. Obviously, the baffle's in it. Oh, shit. Alright, yeah, it's not bad. Keep it running. Taking it out. Turn it off to full effect. Let me just get a little. Oh, it does actually sound. Oh, I don't know.
Is that the start button?
No, that's that one. Oh. Oh, that's way different. That's way different. Oh, that's a tiny bit. Look at the rev. Mate, that's not even 4K. Jesus Christ. Oh my days.
Probably getting used to
the ECU adjusting. Yeah, probably leave it running for like 5 minutes or something. Mate, that is impressive. I was a bit let down a minute ago. That is fucking crazy. So we finally got the exhaust on there. It's completely changed the motorcycle. Let's start her up. I'm not sure how well that camera will pick it up because it's a bit windy today. It threw no codes, so I spoke to Black Widow on the phone. One of the main reasons I went for them is because it was just straight swap over, it was affordable, and I know that their downpipes fit any end can that fit the stock headers. So who knows, at a later date I might swap it out, but at the moment money's tight, and this was a good choice. I'm so impressed with how this exhaust sounds, and it looks the part as well. This was the most expensive system on their website for this motorcycle, but it was half the price of Acura. I don't know what the SE projects were priced at, but anyway, let's hear her. Hopefully this car ain't coming down there. Nice. Yesterday she was shooting flames, I didn't even realise till afterwards. Oh guys, I'm over the moon. Let me know what you thought about episode 1 of the build series. What do you want to see for episode 2? I've already got episode 2 planned, but let me know what you want to see added to the build series. Where should we go as well? Comment some locations, comment some ideas. And yeah, also guys, shop at braplife.co.uk. I'll put a sale on there at the moment. You can get this hoodie for $39.99 or the flow yellow one. There's t-shirts on there as well. I'll drop the price on them. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. See you next video.